Last month, we set the national record for the fastest wheelie over the quarter mile. And this month, we are back to setting records, this time for the longest no-hands wheelie. Now, like before, we are going to be gunning for the India Book of Records and also getting the record certified by the FMSCI. But we are also targeting the world record. Welcome back to the Thrill Arena, and it's time for Indian stunters to shine on the world stage. To pull off this difficult stunt, we needed a motorcycle that is light, strong and powerful. Our search finally narrowed it down to the Bajaj Pulsar NS160. The twin-spark DTSI fuel-injected engine is the most powerful in its class. It weighs in at 151 kilos, the stiff perimeter frame delivers stability and balance, and there is the all-important rear disc brake for control over the wheelie. The rider, our resident stunter Hrishi Madekee. Now, this record attempt is even more difficult than the last because here he's not holding on to the handlebars. So what he's doing is he's popping the wheelie, then he's setting the throttle, setting the handlebar in the position that he wants, and then letting go of the handlebars while he's still doing the wheelie. How is he controlling the bike? Using the rear brake, so his foot on the rear brake, he's controlling the speed of the wheelie and making sure that the Pulsar doesn't loop over him. And then with his left foot, he's got that under the foot pegs and he's engaged his core muscles to make sure that he's in control of the motorcycle.
One more thing I would like to mention is the shoelace. Shoelace, that's the trick where you can lock your acceleration on the exact point where you need it, and after that you can carry this wheelie for a longer time without no hand.
So the key is this 5 rupee shoelace. Hrishi has been training doubly hard. His workout has been tweaked to prioritize core muscles, and he has been practicing extensively on the Pulsar. This is not a stunt that you get right at the first try. And no matter how talented the rider, this is definitely not a record that you smash on your first attempt. It's now time, and the target is the world record of 89 meters. And to verify and certify the record, we have adjudicators from the FMSCI and the India Book of Records.
Can I have your kind attention, please? The runway is now clear. We are ready to roll. I repeat, we are ready to roll.
Hrishi rolls up to the start line, pops the wheelie and lets go of the handlebars. This is where the record will be measured from, and Hrishi has to cover 89 meters to beat the world record set back in 2004. Will he be able to do it? He's focused on the line ahead of him. It takes superhuman levels of balance and concentration to keep the bike up on one wheel like this. He's fighting the elements. You can see the wind is veering him off course to the right. Using his core muscles, he's keeping the Pulsar balanced, focused on not running off the runway. Eyes on the prize, the world record. The motorcycle squirms and bucks, and yet Hrishi stays on the saddle with the front wheel in the air. It is an unbelievable sight, and then the front wheel drops. Now the moment of truth. Hrishi has no idea how much distance he has covered, and neither do we. The adjudicators are using the Race Logic V-Box equipment to measure the exact distance from where Hrishi let go of the handlebar to where the front wheel dropped to the ground. 80, 85, 90 meters. We've now broken the world record, but the end cone is still some distance away. How much did we smash the world record by?
184.8.
I'm in it just to rewrite history, cause I'm in the mood.
Congratulations, Hrishi Madekee. You have set a new national record and have broken the world record. I repeat, you have broken the world record.
Victorious.
184.8 meters. That's not only a new national record for the longest no-hands wheelie, but that's also a new world record, though we don't have the adjudicators here for that. We've set new benchmarks for what is possible on an Indian motorcycle, and we're going to be pushing ourselves even further. Stay tuned for more from the Thrill Arena, where we're going to be setting new records on the world's thrill machine. Subscribe to the Evo India channel and hit the bell icon to keep pace with the thrill of driving.